Welcome to my channel. As this is the first video on my channel, welcome to my channel. Thank you for watching me. Before we begin into all the videos and all, I thought like I should just come in, introduce myself and give a little gist about what this channel is going to be. So my name is Vaishnavi. I am from India, but I live in the US. I am 28 years old. I work in the IT industry, and I am married to my beautiful, lovely husband, Deep, here, who is camera shy and doesn't want to respond. And yeah, so that's about me. आगे जैसे हम और वीडियोस बनाएंगे वैसे वैसे और चीज़ें पता चलेगी. But yeah, मुझे बस आके इंट्रोड्यूस करना था. And today is my birthday. That is where I wanted to start something new. This is something I have been wanting to start since a very long time, but I always had those inhibitions in me, जिसके वजह से I wasn't able to take that step. But right now I think it's high time. अभी ऐसा लग रहा है कि अब नहीं करूँगी तो कब करूँगी types. So इसीलिए just सोचा कि let's just go begin it and go with the flow, see how it turns out. So guys, last video में जहाँ पे मैं अपना introduction दे रही थी, आपने देखा होगा कि हम दोनों कार में थे, me and my husband. So basically we were headed to somewhere. We were going to Exec 1 Aviation, जो कि डेमोइन आयोवा में है. हम प्लेन राइड करने जा रहे थे. सो ऑन द ओकेजन ऑफ माई बर्थडे वी वर गोइंग टू एक्सपीरियंस flying a plane. So yeah, we were excited for it and just thought to record it and show it over here and share it with you all. सो उसके क्लिप्स आएंगे. वो हमें आइडिया कैसे आया या चांस कैसे मिला फ्लाई करने का, उसके पीछे भी एक स्टोरी है. एंड दैट इज़ व्हेन वी बॉट द BMW कार फ्रॉम डेमोइन डीलरशिप, BMW डेमोइन. उन्होंने एज अ वेलकम टू द BMW फैमिली हमें ये basically gift दिया था, which is like 1 hour you'll get to experience the flying of a plane. So yeah, that is where we thought कि birthday आ रहा है, birthday पे कर लेंगे तो मज़ा आ जाएगा. And we did that. So here, go ahead and see the clips. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड एज वेल एज़ नर्वस भी थी ये प्लेन राइड करने के लिए. वेन्यू पर पहुंचने के बाद हमने कुछ फॉर्मेलिटीज़ किए एंड इंस्ट्रक्टर के साथ गोल्फ कार्ट में बैठ के हम अपनी सवारी की ओर निकले. एयरप्लेन रैम्प पर बहुत सारे अलग अलग प्लेन्स पार्क किए हुए थे. ये एक रीजनल एयरपोर्ट है, इसीलिए यहाँ कमर्शियल एयरक्राफ्ट्स की भीड़ नहीं थी. हम अपनी प्लेन के पास पहुंच गए एंड उसके बाद जो हमारे साथ जो इंस्ट्रक्टर थे उन्होंने बाहुबली की तरह अपने हाथों से प्लेन खींचकर बाहर निकाला. We were in the aircraft and the instructor started sharing all the details. It was too much of information to grasp and I was already overwhelmed. It was at that moment I realized that being a pilot is such an in-the-moment job. Then the pilot asked me, like, do you want to take off? I said, yes, why not? So this is where I pushed the throttle, giving the airplane full speed, and within few seconds, we were in the air. As soon as we were in the air, I got so distracted that I told the pilot to take control so that I can enjoy the amazing views. Getting those aerial views of Des Moines was really fun. I mean, just look at this. You get to see the whole downtown, the lakes around. We also saw the Iowa Capitol building. It was really new and cherishing experience that made my birthday a memorable one. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know what you think about it in the comments below. Like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one.